Hello everyone, this is Aarti and I'm here to talk to you guys about my new Louis Vuitton purchase. This handbag we have here is from the Takashi Murakami collection. I actually wanted something from this collection for a very long time. But then, finding something on the pre-loved market is something which I'm not used to, and I do prefer bags in a brand new condition. So let me just open this up for you guys and we'll talk more about this bag. As you all can see, I got the regular box and the regular ribbon and no Murakami packaging at all. So here's the strap which comes with the bag. It's a removable strap. I'm going to set this aside. I'll show it to you and talk to you about it a little bit more. And then here's the paperwork, the little care cards and the receipt and stuff like that. It's in this card holder. I'll set that aside as well. And then here we have our bag. So I'm going to open this up for you guys and take away the box as well. I'm going to tie this back again and put it away because I kind of prefer things like that. So let me tie this back up and set it aside. Okay, so here's the bag. Open her up and then I'll talk to you a little bit about how I got her, and then I'll describe how the bag looks, its dimensions, etc. etc. So here she is. This is the Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami On The Go East West bag. There we go. Finally. Some eye candy, right? All right. So I'm going to set this aside as well. And then let's do a little bit of a story time while I admire her. So basically, I came to know that this collection was launching late last year. And then I stopped by the store and I asked what was the process of, placing a pre-order for any of these bags. So they told me that, it's only something which the VICs were given an opportunity to do. They could only pre-order stuff. And the VICs, in the sense that they should have spent about 25,000 to 100,000 in one calendar year, in the most recent calendar year rather. By no means I am a VIC at Louis Vuitton. So I did purchase a lot from Louis Vuitton, but that has been over a period of time, over a few years, and then, it's definitely not in 1 year. So I said, okay. And then, I was like, okay, I guess I can live without it, and I will just go ahead and check out on launch day and see if I'm able to get something. And that was it. Then I remember that I did have a very good friend, and personal shopper who's based out of Europe. And then I did happen to ask her, will you be able to place an order for these bags for me? So she said, okay, let me ask my SA. And then she went ahead and confirmed that she was able to order. So she ordered my first bag in December itself, and I will let you know what that bag is in my next video because I want to keep that as a surprise. That was the only bag I actually wanted from this collection. So I would have been happy with it. I was happy with it that she was able to order. I was, positive that I'm going to get it and stuff like that. So her SA sent her a link. She paid for it, and then that's the way it happened. Then I did go to Louis Vuitton on launch day, which was January 3rd. By then, I did not receive my bag. My bag was still in pending validation status in her purchase history. So she kept me updated about it. She said, it's in pending validation. And then luckily by January 3rd, it had moved to, preparing for shipment, or like, they already had it assigned for me, and then it was getting ready to be shipped to her. So everything was great. I knew I was getting that bag. So when I went on launch day, I was not like super stressed about getting a bag from United States. So when I did go into the store on that day, everything was display only, and there was no way I could order anything till 2 p.m. They said at 2 p.m. you can come back and order something. But by then I realized that my bag was ready for shipment in Europe. So, sorry, ready for pickup rather. So I was like, okay, it's ready for pickup. I'm good to go. I don't need anything else. And at that time, I saw that, they had some scarves, and I was able to purchase one of those. That again is going to be matching my other bag, and I will unbox it along with that bag. So that was that. And then at that time, I saw this bag on display, and I was like, that really looks nice. I did see the Nano, which was another option. I was never a Speedy girl. Speedy felt a little too slouchy for me. And then I did see the Nano Speedy, which is not as slouchy, but it still is not super structured. So when I saw this bag, I was like, this looks really nice. And then I did not try it on. I was still iffy. I was like, do I need two bags from this collection? I was happy with the bag I received. But then, I kept thinking about this, and I do have a lot of, stainless steel and, silver accessories and white gold accessories, which I wanted to have, a bag for. We come up with all sorts of reasons to shop anyway, right? So I wanted this bag, and then I again couldn't order it or buy it off of the display. So I asked my friend, can you please order this one as well? So she said, okay. And then she placed an order for this on January 3rd. The other bag was ordered much earlier, this one on January 3rd. So the other one came very quickly. I think I would say around mid January, I received that bag, and this one I received it early February. So that was my whole story about how I received these bags. That bag got a little bit of packaging, but this one did not get anything from the Murakami collection. But I'm fine with that. For me, what is important is receiving the bag. Yes, I be happy if I received all of those packaging, those stickers, and all that sort of stuff. Yes, 100%. But I'm still okay with this. I'm happy I received the bag. So here's the bag. Recently, I came to know that this canvas has about 33 colors in it. And this bag goes with anything. If I wear something and then I try on this bag with it, it looks beautiful. Black and white, 100%, of course. Lots of things go with black and white. I think pretty much everything does. But with any color, this bag will go, with a green dress, whatnot. And then the other thing is we have a top handle, and then we also have the removable strap, which can be extended and cross-bodied. This will make it a little more, hands-free if we are in a situation where we need both of our hands. And then you see that little bow detail, and we can hang the lock over here, which looks super pretty, and which is very I guess, Takashi Murakami signature. And then here we have these zippers. The zippers are nice and chunky with the Louis Vuitton logo on it. Super detailed. I really like the hardware on these. And then let me open it up, and here I have these keys. Let me show those. So here are the keys, and this lock here is fully functional. You can actually use that lock on the zippers, so it's useful. And then the other thing which this bag comes with is a chain strap. So this chain strap here is also very unique, very pretty. It has these little balls which move like so, and Louis Vuitton is engraved on each and every one of these. If you're into super chunky chains and stuff, you can actually make this into a necklace, and it's decent sized. And then let me remove the protective stickers on this, and put that over here. So this one goes into these rings here. You have these D rings on both sides. See that? So very useful and also decorative. If you do want to use this strap, you could do that. You can wear this on your shoulder, but if you just want to hang this over here and then use the top handle, that'll be amazing too. It'll look super dressy. So let me put this aside like this, and maybe actually remove it so that I can show you a little bit of the inside. So I'm gonna leave this over here, and inside stick from the I just want a little bit of a plastic from the hardware protectors. So you have suede lining inside of this. I know it's hard to see. I hope you can. And then let me just give you, I don't know if you can see the little stamp over there which says that this is made in France and it's from 20th year Takashi Murakami collection anniversary and stuff like that is written on this. So that's that. This bag has two pockets on this side and that. Super usable. You can use it for cell phone, you can use it for keys, whatever you need to access all the time. So let me also give you a little bit of the dimensions. The length of this bag is 25 centimeters, the height is 30 centimeters, and the width is 10 centimeters. So this has a calf leather trim, textile lining, and two outer compartments like I was talking to you about. The strap drop for this one is 35 centimeters, and the maximum strap drop is 53 centimeters. This is, like I said, mine is made in France, but it could be either made in France, Spain, or Italy, or in the United States. But for now, I have not seen, like I've seen a lot of unboxings, I've not seen anything outside of France at the moment. I think that's what everyone prefers to. So that's a little bit of information about the bag. Again, I know these are super hard to get, but if you do have the opportunity to get your hands on one of these, I highly suggest it. Super usable bag, very pretty, goes with everything, easy to use because of the several ways you can carry it. There's no vachetta lining, which makes it, easier to handle. You don't have to worry about water and stuff like that. So that's great. And again, this is their regular on the go East West style. And if you're not able to get it in the multicolor monogram, you can always get it in the regular monogram. They have that available, even online. So again, this is an amazing, amazing bag. I'm super happy that I found it. Thank you for watching and, listening to me for such a long time. I hope, it was helpful in some way for you. And stay tuned for my next unboxing. That would be my first bag which I wanted from this collection, and it is super, super pretty. Stay tuned for my next unboxing, and I hope you like the video. Subscribe and like if you have enjoyed the video. Thank you very much. Bye.